7 mistakes that pull you away from losing excess fat. Why? Why, God, why? Why in the world I'm not able to get thin? Do you also wonder why you can't lose that extra fat despite of putting so much efforts? Then you must be doing either one of these 7 mistakes in your routine. So listen carefully to examine the mistakes you make and try to avoid these 7 mistakes. But before you find out secrets to effective weight loss, hitting that subscribe button would be marvelous. And also mention in the comments what mistakes you made that held you back from achieving the perfect body you dreamed of. Mistake number 7. Doing wrong workout. You believe that cardio is the only way to lose fat. Getting on that treadmill and just walking or running may sound much easier thing to do. But it won't help you in longer run. Cardio helps in improving heart health. But you'll have to add some resistance training exercises if you want to tone your body. Exercises such as lunges, crunches, squats, push-ups, chin-ups, pull-ups, bench press, lat pull-down, etc. etc. which involve using your muscular power to build more muscles. Understand this simple science: more muscles you build, the more fat is burned. The best thing about weight training is that you'll keep burning calories even when you are not exercising. This is known as afterburn effect. Follow 30 minutes of high intensity weight training along with 15 minutes of cardio. This will definitely work for toning your body. Mistake number 6. Choosing wrong type of calories. The calories you consume are not equal. Eating 100 calories of ice cream does not have same effect on your body that of eating 100 calories of vegetable does. Choosing right type of calories affects in insulin secretion volume in our blood. The more insulin produced, the more our body begins to store fat. So if you are serious about weight loss, then practice eating slow digesting foods that have simple carbohydrates. Stick to healthy carbohydrates such as beans, legumes, and whole grains. Along with carbohydrates, some proteins like protein from dairy products can also increase insulin secretion. Mistake number 5. You are eating too little. The unfortunate common idea, or should I say the common myth amongst the people for losing weight is starving yourself. In order to go under caloric deficit, people tend to eat too little calories which are required for smooth functioning of their body. Even if you lose good amount of weight by practicing such crash diets, the changes might not sustain for too long. Do not panic and go for shortcuts. You just need to maintain a healthy lifestyle with balanced diet containing right amount of complex carbohydrates, proteins, and healthy fats. Mistake number 4. Skipping meals. People who skip their breakfast or lunch tend to eat like animals afterwards when their hunger strikes. They mindlessly lose track of calories they put in their mouth. Skipping meals can also alter your insulin secretion patterns and create drastic hormone imbalance. Mistake number 3. You are trying too hard. Your muscles need good amount of rest in order to repair. Do not put too much strain on your body. Take 2 to 3 days rest break from your workout routine. Sleep is equal to repair. Make sure you get good 8 to 9 hours of sleep. The lack of sleep causes ghrelin secretion to spike and leptin secretion to decrease. This can cause endless hunger throughout the day. Mistake number 2. Focusing on willpower. When you primarily just focus on your willpower, for example, if I want to eat healthy, I'll focus and keep in mind always that I want to eat better. I want to eat healthy. Stay away from junk food, etc. etc. Then there are high chances of me eventually lose my willpower and eat those junk foods which I shouldn't have eaten. But instead of focusing on my willpower, if I focus on my why power, like why do I need to eat healthy? When I write down those reasons and focus on them, there are high chances of me sticking to a healthy diet for a longer period. Mistake number 1. Not drinking enough water. Drinking enough water increases the oxygen flow in your body, and thus provides with energy it needs continuously to burn calories throughout the day. By drinking less water, you are cutting your body's energy supply which it needs to shed off your excess baggage. So increase your water intake to 3 to 4 liters daily. So here we are done with the mistakes you need to avoid while trying to lose weight. Share with us if you know any other common mistakes people make when they are on weight loss journey. And if you are really serious about the weight loss, then click the link in the description. Give me a like if you found this information valuable and subscribe to Your Fitness Station. I come up with new videos every MWF of the week. Thank you for watching. Now tata bye bye. See you next time.